Hello everyone, myself Professor P.V. Shinde, Department of Soil Science and Agricultural Chemistry from KKO College of Agriculture, Nasik. Today we are going to study the complex fertilizer, their fate and reaction in the soil, nano fertilizer. Friends, this video is only for education purpose, not for commercial use. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to complex fertilizers, definition of complex fertilizers, then chief characteristics of complex fertilizers, the value of complex fertilizers, classification of complex fertilizer, nano fertilizer, important properties of nano fertilizers, impact of nano fertilizers. Friends, complex fertilizers are much more desirable for balanced treatment of the soil. As such, there is an increasing tendency to manufacture complex fertilizer. What is the complex fertilizer? Complex fertilizer contain 2 or 3 primary plant nutrients, of which 2 primary nutrients are in chemical combination. These fertilizers are usually produced in granular form. For example, diammonium phosphate, nitrophosphate and ammonium phosphate. Let us see the chief characteristics of complex fertilizer. Complex fertilizers generally have a high content of plant nutrients, more than 40 kg per 100 kg of fertilizer. As such, they are also called as high analysis fertilizer. They usually have uniform grain size and have a good physical condition. They supply nitrogen and phosphorus in an available form to the soil in one operation. Nitrogen is present as a nitrate and ammonical form, and phosphorus is present in water-soluble form to 50 to 90% of the total P2O5. Though their manufacture is costlier to straight fertilizer, they are cheaper to the cultivators when the cost is worked out on the basis of per kg of plant nutrients. Since complex fertilizers are high analysis fertilizers, transport and distribution costs to the cultivators are less when worked out on the basis of per kg plant nutrients. They are non-caking and non-hygroscopic, thus safe for storage. Here we see the value of complex fertilizer is depend on the different considerations like the content of individual nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. The ratio of nitrogen to phosphorus or potassium, the form in which the individual nutrients are present, the resultant acid or basic residual effect, the content of trace element. Here we see the classification of complex fertilizer. There are two class, or we can say types of complex fertilizer. Number one is the incomplete complex fertilizer and second one is the complete complex fertilizer. What is the incomplete complex fertilizer? Which contain only 2 major nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus in chemical combination. These fertilizers are called as incomplete complex fertilizer. They are of two types like ammonium phosphate, which may be present in the combination of mono or diammonium salt or mixture of two. Most of these formulations are in granular form like monoammonium phosphate grade is 11 to 46, DAP, ammonium phosphate, urea ammonium phosphate, and second class that is nitrophosphate, that is 20-20-0, 24-24-0. Then what is the complete complex fertilizer, which contains all the 3 major nutrients like N, P, K in chemical combination, for example 17-17-17 and 19-19-19. Then next important point that is nano fertilizer, which is most recent technology in fertilizer, or we can say in agriculture. Nano fertilizers are modified fertilizers synthesized by chemical, physical or biological methods using nanotechnology to improve their attributes and composition, which can enhance the productivity of the crops. Nanofertilizers are the important tools in agriculture to improve crop growth, yield and quality parameter with increased nutrient use efficiency, reduce wastage of fertilizer and cost of cultivation. Nanofertilizers are very effective for precise nutrient management in precision agriculture with matching the crop growth stage for nutrient and may provide nutrient throughout the crop growth period. Nanofertilizers increase crop growth up to optimum concentration. Further increase in concentration may inhibit the crop growth due to the toxicity of nutrient. Nanofertilizers provide more surface area for different metabolic reaction in the plant, which increase rate of photosynthesis and produce more dry matter and yield of the crop. It is also prevent plant from different biotic and abiotic stress. Friends, why we want to use nanofertilizers? Because nanofertilizers are more beneficial as compared to chemical fertilizers. 3 times increase in nutrient use efficiency. That nanofertilizers increase the nutrient efficiency 3 times more than chemical fertilizers. 18 to 100 times less requirement to chemical fertilizer. 10 times more stress tolerant by the crops. Complete biosource, so it is eco-friendly. 30% more nutrient mobilization by the plants. 17 to 54% improvement in the crop yield. That's why it is need to use of nano fertilizer in agriculture. Here we see the comparative analysis of conventional approach with nanotechnology mediated agriculture production. In conventional agriculture, red color indicates the disadvantages of that particular conventional agriculture as compared to nano fertilizer, like low productivity, stress and disease sensitive, nutritional deficiency, poor soil biological health, low native nutrient mobilization, low microbial diversity. The next, that is organic agriculture. Let us see what is plus point and negative point in organic agriculture. Towards negative point, low production rate with respect to demand, biofertilizer may cause pathogenic sign, and towards positive point, that is nutritive food supply by organic material. It improves the soil biological health, which is the very important factor regarding soil health. In bulk fertilizer mediated agriculture, high production rate is the positive point, whereas bioaccumulation of harmful fertilizer byproduct after affect natural resources, decrease nutritional quality, demolish soil biological health, and eutrophication, low microbial diversity is the negative point of bulk fertilizer mediated agriculture. Here we can see there is number of positive point or advantages of using the nano fertilizer mediated agriculture, like high production, more nutritious food, save natural resource, sustainable, enhance soil biological health, more microbial diversity, enhance native nutrient mobilization, it reduce demand of fertilizer. According to this picture, we can compare the conventional, organic, bulk fertilizer mediated and nano fertilizer mediated agriculture. Here we see the mode of action of nano fertilizers. Above the ground, it affects on foliar entry, cuticles, stomata, heterothores, lenticels and wounds. Below the ground, root entry, root tips, lateral roots, roots hairs, rhizodermis and rupture is the potential entry point of nanoparticles into the plants. This picture shows the potential entry of points of nanoparticles into the plants. This photo indicates the kinds of nanofertilizers like nitrogen fertilizer, potash fertilizer, zinc nanofertilizer, nanoporous zeolite, nanoherbicides, nanopesticides and others material like clay, zeolite, inorganic metal, organic molecules, etc. Here we can see the important properties of nanofertilizer which facilitate the higher nutrient use efficiency. Like the nanofertilizers have higher surface area, is it mainly due to very less size of particles which provide more site to facilitate different metabolic process in the plant system, result production of more photosynthesis. Due to higher surface area and very less size, they have high reactivity with other compound. They have high solubility in different solvents such as water. Particle size of nanofertilizer is less than 100 nanometer, which facilitates more penetration of nanoparticles into the plant from applied surface such as soil or leaves. Nanofertilizers have large surface area and particle size less than the pore size of the root and leaves of the plant, which can increase penetration into the plant from applied surface and improve uptake and nutrient use efficiency of the nanofertilizer. Reduction of fertilizer size or particle size result in increased specific surface area and number of particles per unit area of the fertilizers that provide more opportunity to contact of nanofertilizers, which leads to more penetration and uptake of the nutrient. Fertilizers encapsulated in nanoparticles will increase availability and uptake of nutrient to crop plants. Zeolite is the best example of nanofertilizer, or we can say zeolite based nanofertilizers are capable to release nutrients slowly to the crop plant, which increase availability of the nutrient to the crop throughout the growth period, which prevent loss of nutrient from denitrification, volatilization, leaching and fixation in the soil, especially nitrate and ammonical losses. Particle size below 100 nanometer. Nanoparticles can use fertilizer for efficient nutrient management, which are more eco-friendly and reduce environment pollution. Main reason for high interest in fertilizer is mainly their penetration capacity, size and very higher surface area, which is usually differ from the same material found in bulk form. This is partially due to the fact that nanoparticles show a very high surface volume ratio. Thus, the reactive surface area is proportionally over represent in nanoparticles compared to the large particles. Particle surface area increase with decreasing particle size, and the surface free energy of the particles is a function of its size. Similar result obtained. This table shows the impact of nanofertilizer on different crops under varying pedoclimatic condition. When we use nanofertilizer, what different character is produced by using nanofertilizer, here we can see. This table also shows the characteristics by using the nanofertilizers. Here we see the conclusion of using nanofertilizer. Application of different nanofertilizer have greater role in enhancing crop production. This will reduce the cost of fertilizer for crop production and also minimize the pollution hazard. The application of nanofertilizers in agriculture should have a greater concern to society. Fertilizer nutrient use efficiency in crop production can be enhanced with effective use of nanofertilizers. Nanofertilizers improve crop growth and yield up to optimum applied doses and concentration, but they also have inhibitory effect on crop plant if concentration is more than the optimum, which result reduce the growth and yield of the crop. Thank you very much.